Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. 2 weeks ago, Appa made some Belacan fried chicken. My 7-year-old daughter, she can't stop eating, but she made two complaints. Number one, 2 weeks ago, I only used the middle part of the wing, so she said it is fake wing. It is not the real wing without the tips. So today, I'm using the whole pieces of the wing. And second thing that she complained is, she said it smells so good, it tastes so good, but inside not much flavor, because I'm not sure how many of you have viewed that particular video. Appa cooked it at very last minute, so I did not have time to marinate it. Therefore, the flavor doesn't really get in much. So today, I'm going to pre-marinate this 2 hours before I start cooking, so I will make sure the marinade will really get in this round. So this fried chicken is very simple. Marinate, deep fry, that's it. So let's quickly give it a marination. By the way, I have cut the wings, then the drummet separately, so that later it's easier to fry. If not, it's very difficult. So let's give it a little bit of oyster sauce here. Not too much, because oyster sauce actually contains sugar. It can make your chicken very dark also, so don't put too much. Then I'm going to put in some of my the premium Vietnamese fish sauce. You can put light soy sauce also can. For those who don't mind taking some alcohol, this is Shaoxing wine. Actually, after cooking, you don't feel the alcohol anymore lah. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, you can put it in, about 1 teaspoon. Those interested can get it for Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. If you don't have, never mind, don't worry. Optional. Then 1 teaspoon of toasted belacan powder. I'm using the one which is already in powder form. If you are buying the block form, you need to dry roast it yourself. So this is more convenient, yeah? And few dashes of white pepper. And we will need a little bit of egg here to help everything, combining everything together. Ooh, I already smell the belacan. Ooh, very nice. All right. One more thing to put in, which is some starch powder. I'm putting in the cornstarch. You can use rice flour, you can use potato starch, up to you, right? Right. Okay. First step, marinate. Done. Next thing, we are going to cover this. What do I have? Is it good enough? I'm going to cover it. Not big enough. I'll cover this and put it inside the fridge, or you can use a cling wrap, yeah? Put it inside the fridge for exactly 2 hours minimum. Then all the flavor should be able to get in. My daughter won't complain this round. Alright, this is after 2 hours taken out from my fridge. Yeah, today Appa did not cheat, yeah? Then we can prepare the wok, hot oil with hot oil, yeah, to deep fry the chicken wing. Now, there are 2 ways on how you can do it. If you prefer more crust, you can actually coat the chicken wing with another layer of cornstarch, if you like. 2 weeks ago, I actually coated it. This round, I think I'm going to fry it straight away. No right or wrong. There's no rules in our kitchen. So how do you know your oil is hot enough? You can put a chopstick inside And the moment you start seeing some slow bubbles coming up, that is good enough lah. This is probably about, the bubble is quite slow, so it's about 130 degrees Celsius. We need about 130 to 150 degrees Celsius lah. To me, good enough lah. I don't need too hot oil. So we're going to put in the chicken, marinated chicken. Try to cut your chicken into the chicken wings to be into two parts so that it's easier, much easier for you to fry. Yeah, because when we don't have a very big wok at home like the professional chef. Hopefully today my daughter won't complain. But even though she's complaining 2 weeks ago, she non-stop eating because she finished everything. Okay, we should be frying this using a medium-high heat for plus minus about, I don't know, 7 minutes. Yeah, I come back shortly. Wow, I can smell the belacan already. Oh, say. Nice color. Very nice color. This is after about 1 minute plus. We'll come back shortly. This is after another 1-2 minutes. You will notice this round my color will be darker. Actually, I purposely wanted it to be darker today. Last round, when I coat it with flour, actually the color is lighter. I prefer darker color. Darker color feels more appetizing. Or is it just me? So this is after about 3-4 minutes frying. I think almost there. We'll give it another minute or two, then it is done. And I do prefer this color today. I feel like eating already. This will be our dinner tonight. Alright, this is after about 5-6 minutes. Total frying time, I think good enough. I have the beautiful golden brown I'm looking for. Oh yeah. Oh, you must smell this lah. Smells so nice. Look at the beautiful golden brown color. All right, now prepare an oil absorbing paper at the side, and then you just put the chicken on top of the oil absorbing paper. This one looks more appetizing than 2 weeks ago. There is the color, seriously. Before I show you, let me quickly put in the second round, yeah, the drummets. Let me show you how beautiful it looks. See? Oh, I can't wait eating this. Actually, my daughter, one person will finish half of it. And the other half is for the rest of us, me, my wife, and my mother-in-law. Similar to the wings, after about 1 minute, we will turn it around. I'm using medium to medium high fire, yeah? You don't want it to be too hot. If not, outside can be too dark and inside is not cooked yet. So you want medium to medium high. This after another about 1-2 minutes. One more round. I think I'm going to fry one more thing here, which is the remaining of my marinades. Did you see the crispy bits floating? That is actually my marinades. So that can be fried also. And it tastes really good. I just tasted it. But let me finish this one first. Look at the beautiful golden color. It won't take long, probably another 1 minute plus. I start seeing some smoke coming out from the oil. It's too hot. We don't want smoking hot oil. This is about 5 minutes. I think good enough. Right, beautiful golden brown color. 2 weeks ago, the color is very light because of the outer layer of extra cornstarch. Alright, so I'm going to put this same at the side on the oil absorbing paper. Alright, here's my belacan chicken today. Definitely a more flavorful ones than 2 weeks ago. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.